Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I just want to give you a video today that you are enough. You're enough with what you're eating. You're enough with how you're moving. You're enough with what you're thinking and you're feeling. And I think sometimes in the space that I'm in, people will get a referral to a dietitian where they don't feel like they're doing enough or they're doing it all wrong. And I fully believe that you're exactly where you're meant to be right now. And even if you're wanting to change or wanting to change the way that your gut is working or your body is showing up or your weight or your blood sugar or X, Y, and Z, and you're wanting to get better, starting with the acceptance of where you're at now is beautiful. That can help lower a lot of inflammatory processes. And acceptance doesn't mean stagnation. It means I accept where I'm at now without shame and I want to move forward. There is a lot of risk and a slippery slope with food and health and body that if you're told your body isn't good enough, we as a person don't feel good enough. And I want to really gently separate the two, that sometimes our health and our worth are connected, and I want to keep them separate, where you are worth infinite value as a human. And sometimes we want to do things for our health that allow our body and our spirit to feel more aligned with who we are. And sometimes that's a struggle. So I want to have a lot of compassion and kindness. If that's you today and you don't feel comfortable in your body, start with acceptance and make steps to making sure that your worth and your health are two different parts of your psyche and your worth. I hope this is helpful and encouraging, and reach out to any providers if you're struggling with connecting these two and not feeling good in your skin. Have a good day.